Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can lock databases for your workspaces on Notion really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So head over to your Notion workspace and access the database you would like to edit and customize. So here on the left hand side, as you can see, I selected that test database for the sake of this tutorial. Now you can fill your database with content, of course, if you like, here by adding new pages and so on and so forth, guys. So keep doing that. However, guys, if you like to lock your databases so far and everything you have content added so far to your database, all you will need to do is simply click on these three dots in the very top right corner of your open database. And from the drop down menu here, simply select or switch on, turn on the lock database feature here, just like that. And that's going to lock your database. You will see the status here at the top, locked to prevent accidental editing. As you can see now, if you left click on the lock icon or symbol here, you may unlock it for everyone or just for you. That depends on your choice. So guys, that's how you unlock your or lock your databases in Notion. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.